Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and set up a Gmail account from scratch. To do this is pretty simple. As you can see here, I'm in my account already, or we're going to make an account. So here you have the options to use your Google, iCloud, Outlook, Hotmail, Office 365, Yahoo, or others. So for now we're going to go Gmail, which is Google. So we want to do continue. From here it will redirect you to a new account or page. So here, just press create account for my personal use or business use. It depends on you. So I would do personal use. First, we're gonna place our name. Of course, place your name first and last. Optional is last. So next, from there, you'll place your date of birth. So date of birth, just place your date of birth right here. So right here, and then place your gender. So let's just go male right here, and then press next. From there, you will have to select your Gmail address. So this is what you will be known as with your Gmail address. It's pretty simple to do actually. So all you have to do here is select and create your own if you don't want the suggested ones. So here we can place Yabadibidoo or something. Just place a random Gmail that you would like to be known as. So next, you will want to create a strong password for this. So of course, we're gonna do a strong password right here. And then next, here, you will have to review your account. So this can be the email address to sign in after you do this. So here you have your privacy and terms, which is pretty simple. Then next is I agree. So here, after you press I agree, you are down to a new Gmail. It's just that simple. And I have accidentally created a Gmail that I didn't want to. So we have another video that how to delete your Gmail, which is pretty simple. So there you go guys. This is how you create and set up a Gmail account from scratch. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.